This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Susan Pender. Waterfront. Amazing bay-front single-family home has been beautifully renovated inside and out with top-of-the-line design features and appointments. Wonderful bright and open floor plan with walls of windows and doors overlooking the water. Gorgeous new designer kitchen offering stainless steel appliances including wine refrigerator and ice maker. Adjoining breakfast area overlooking the bay. Spacious living room with gorgeous hardwood floors and gas fireplace. Plush primary suite with vaulted ceiling, gas fireplace. Large walk-in closet, private balcony and luxurious bathroom with jetted tub and glass enclosed walk-in shower. First floor family room with wet bar and doors leading out to a covered patio and 2 additional bedrooms, both with ensuite bathrooms. Balconies on 3 levels, large fenced yard with inground sprinkler system, 2-car garage and loads of parking. Newer hardiplank and stone siding, windows, metal roof, generator, 3-zone gas heat and many more custom updates. For more information, review the details below.